Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's talk about one of my favorite everyday carry toolkit pouches. There are so many specific toolkit pouches for EDC, but when you are looking for a high quality version with great storage options, this one from KNIPEX is definitely a great choice. This toolkit pouch was designed to carry the KNIPEX pliers wrench and the KNIPEX Cobra in the 150mm version. You have two different compartments inside to store both pliers. I think both pliers are very universal and an excellent base for your toolkit, but it's fairly easy to store more equipment. You have rubber loops on both sides. These slots are perfect options to store, for example, a permanent marker or a pen-sized flashlight. And it's easy to attach a flashlight with a larger pocket clip. I love to carry three different pliers, the pliers wrench, the KNIPEX Cobra and combination pliers on my multi-tool. And depending on the sheath of your multi-tool, this KNIPEX pouch is perfect to upgrade your toolkit with an attached multi-tool. The multi-tool pouch fits perfectly and it sits very secure. The quality of the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit is excellent in my opinion. It's the best multi-tool on the market when we look at the fit and finish and the build quality. Let's go through the tools of the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit. We have the saw, the file, a tool with a chisel grind, a combination tool with a flathead screwdriver tip, and the awl. In the other handle we find a blade with a one-hand opening mechanism, the scissors, a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a combination tool. This is a flathead screwdriver tip in combination with a can opener. All tools are locking. Let's come back to the base of this toolkit, this KNIPEX pouch here. I really like the build quality and you can carry this one with a belt loop. What I really like about this pouch is the heavy duty hook and loop. So you can carry the pouch closed or for quick access this way. Please let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this pouch as a base for your everyday carry toolkit.